Hello again. This is Will Tate Yacht Boss with Knot10 Yacht Sales. Today we're going to be taking a look at a 2019 Steiger Craft 28 DV Miami. Let's go take a look. This Steiger Craft 28 is a very versatile fishing machine. Twin 300 Suzuki's on the back. The owner states he's got 2 propellers. He does have speed props for the boat as well. Can reach speeds of up to 60 miles an hour. Tons of rod holders. Bait box. Rear station. Boat is equipped up on top. Again, multiple rod holders, upgraded lighting for the cockpit and the bow. The boat is equipped with outriggers and FLIR night vision on top. Coming inside the pilot house, just doing a glance around the helm. Nice visibility. It's really nice in here with the enclosure as well. Taking a look at the upgrades on the helm. You've got your VHF here, upgraded fusion stereo system with wet sound speakers. One huge 24-inch Garmin display. This thing is massive. Switches are wonderfully laid out. All your Suzuki engine information will come through this screen here. Trim tabs, spotlight, electronic controls for the helm and the rear helm as well. One of the nice things about this boat for maneuverability, it does come equipped with a bow thruster. Windlass. Nice storage. Looking down into the cabin, you have your head. It does have a filler cushion for if you'd like to sleep for the berth. Nice freeboard for getting up front. Also have the synthetic decking, which is really nice on your feet all throughout the boat, and the bow and the cockpit and the swim platform as well. Here's your windlass anchor. Great light bar with your radar and FLIR camera up above as well. GPS antenna. Nice pilot house boat. Wash down. Battery charger plug-in. If you're really going for the big fish, you got your measuring ruler all built into the synthetic decking. This 28 Steiger Craft is a really nice boat. If you're going offshore, if you're staying in the bay, nice cruise speeds, very set up for fishing, ready to go. This is Will Tate, Yacht Boss with Knot10 Yacht Sales. If you're interested in this boat, please give me a call. My number is 410-353-3380. Thanks for watching.